Hello kids, welcome back. Multicolors. Let's learn colors name. Brown color, blue color, violet color, orange color, green color, black color, yellow color, pink color, ice blue color, red color, light green color, and purple color. Let's start. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, D, letter A to Z. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. J for jaguar. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.